Good morning students, welcome to class 5 computer classes. My name is Mamta Gupta. I will teach you computer lesson 2 software and its type. First I will explain you main points of computer software and its types. The term of software was first used Johann W. Tukey in 1957. What is a software? Software is a set of instructions. How many types of software? There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software, operating system, language processor, utility software. And application software, there are two types of application software: general purpose software, specific application software. What is system software? System software control overall operating of computer system. It can classified in a three categories. Operating system. Operating system, it is the most important software without which you cannot work on a computer system. It is a basic software that is present in a computer. Operating system: MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux. Language processor, system software created by writing program in computer language. These are many computer language: C++, Java. The program written in these language cannot be understood by a computer. Utility software, it is a program designed to perform maintenance or housekeeping on a computer system in order to ensure its smooth functioning. Example types of software: disk defragmental, its speed up the access of data from hard disk by clearing the files and free space. Antivirus software, this program scan your disk for virus and remove these. Example Norton Avira. Backup utility, this program lets you maintain a copy of the data on the hard disk. Application software. Application software divided into two parts: general purpose. General purpose application software, these are developed keeping in mind the general needs or requirements of a large number of people. Word processing software, these types of software is used for creating text such as letters, stories, reports. Example MS Word, MS Wordpad, Word Notes. Spreadsheet software is used to calculation, analysis data in the desired manner. Example MS Excel, Lotus 123. Database management system. Database management system full form is the DBMS, database management system. Database management system is a software that lets you store large amount of data in an organized manner. Example Oracle, MS Access, Fox Pro. Desktop publishing software, short form DPS and full form DPS, desktop publishing software. This software is used for creating design and layouts of books, brochures, newspaper. Example Quick Express, Adobe Photoshop, PageMaker, Graphic software. Graphic software is used to work with image, photo, paint. Example, Adobe Photoshop, Paint. Multimedia software. Multimedia software work with a image, text, sound. Example, games software, Windows Media Player. Presentation software. Presentation software is used to create a design, slideshow and multimedia presentation. Example, MS PowerPoint. Specific application software. Specific application software are now as customized software. Example, reservation system and airport and railway station. Relationship between hardware and software. First, user. User means we, you. Application means subject of software. Operation system means system software. Hardware means part of computer. Then, backup of files. A data backup is result of copying, arranging files or folders for the purpose of being able to restore them in case the data loss. Data loss, many cases, many things. Then ranging from computer, rearranging by computer virus to hardware failure or files corruptions to fire, flood, etc. Backup means a duplicate copy of a file, program, folders or disk used if the original is damaged, corrupted or lost. Restore. Restore means to copy the backup version of information backup to its original location. Backup media, floppy disk, CD, DVD or any other recordable media. Full backup. Backing up means backing up everything on your computer, which includes data, software and operating system. Incremental backup. A backup of only what has changed since the last backup. Backing up. Backing up is a really just copying your information to removable disk that you can store somewhere software. The case of any emergency, you can store your backup disk of a site. Full backup. This should be done before installing new software update. Incremental backup. This should be done daily, especially if you work on a computer a lot of changing files every day. Utility program. It is used to computer infrastructure. It constructs to application software which aim at directly performing tasks the benefit ordinary users. Scanning. The process of translating photograph into the digital form that can be recognized a computer. Defragmentation is the process of locating the non-fragmentation of data into which a computer file may be divided as it is stored on hard disk and rearranging the fragment and restoring them into the fragmentation into the whole files. Question answer. What is the software? Give an example. Software is a set of instruction program that tells the computer to do particular task. Difference between system software and application software. Give one example each. System software control the operation of computers. Example Unix, Mac, OS, Windows, Linux, Windows XP, MS-DOS. Application software. Application software is a set of programs that help the users to program a specific task. Word processing, spreadsheet, graphic software. Define the operating system. Operating system is a program which helps starting up the computer to run the application. MS Windows, Unix, OS. What are the antivirus software considered important? Name the antivirus software. Antivirus software considered the important because they detect the various of computer system and also the remove then and keep our computer safe. What is question number 5? What is the use of language? Processor software. Name one such as software. A language is process plays a vital role of translating the programming language into the machine language. Example C, C++, Java, COBOL, Fortran. Multiple choice. Fill up is the set of programming and related data. Input, output, hardware, software. Answer is a software. 2. Software is used work without image. Graphic software, multimedia software, utility software, application software. Answer is the graphic software. 3. Software is required to control the overall operations of computer. Language processor, system software, utility software, application software. Answer is the system software. Which of these an example of presentation of software? Adobe Shop, PowerPoint, both A and B, none of these. Answer PowerPoint.